Interface Floor is proud to announce the creation of a beautiful new range of floor tiles. 4 years in the making, this range brings together the very best in materials, design and craft. These floor tiles are truly inspired, but then so is the story behind them. Just Tiles are the first products to be launched in the Fairworks category, a product range which aims to have both a positive environmental and socio-economic impact. The design of Just was a collaborative process. Interface Floor designers and technicians teamed up with sustainable design practice EXDL and Industry, an Indian social enterprise that develops and markets local craft skills. Just was born by bringing the very best of each organisation together. When you buy Fairworks products, you're not only buying a beautiful handcrafted product, but you're also helping people in the developing world towards a better future and an environmentally sustainable way of working.
The Fairworks project started because as a business we were interested in looking at how the social aspects of sustainability could be incorporated into product development. Any product that we develop in the Fairworks category needs to hit 3 criteria, and they are to use locally available, either renewable or recycled material, to draw on traditional craft skill, and to provide income generating opportunities in the local area.
The way we decided to do that was to look at how we could develop a business collaboration with developing countries, developing organisations. We've chosen India particularly because it's part of our European business. And so to approach that, we set up a workshop in 2005.
One of the concepts that came out of that initial workshop was the contemporising of Indian craft into flooring product. So once that decision was made, the real collaboration began between Interface Floor and Industry.
I would say that our relationship with Interface has been very successful, and I say that with a great deal of genuineness. Primarily because they have shown a lot of patience, and I see a lot of consistency, and most important of all, I think I see a lot of investment. Even though the designs have been changed to suit the European market, but basically the skills are local, are traditional, and it definitely keeps in place a skill which otherwise would eventually die out for lack of local markets. We have had a social audit done, and we have found that our work with the artisans in the village, their incomes have increased by 3 times over the last 3 years that we have been working with them. And this in turn reflects on their society because women's earning goes up. Most of the weavers are women. Once women's earning goes up, they spend more on improved nutrition for their children and also better education. I'm actually delighted with the product. It's worked extremely well in the testing. I would think it's a great sustainable product because the materials that it's made of.
There are really 3 components to the product itself. There's the wooden frame that is FSC certified. There is the backing system, which is the natural coir latex. The coir is harvested in the south of India and comes from coconuts and is then broken down into the natural fibres and then transported into Bangalore. And then it's mixed with a natural rubber latex and pressed in a heated hydraulic press to create the inner material. And then the third and crucial part of the product is the hand-woven top surface, the natural fibre material. So in Vilvanalode, in the south of India, we have a product that uses natural river grass. It's hand-woven on a loom by the artisans in their own homes. And then that's transported to the workshops in Bangalore, where it's then cut to size and it's assembled with the coir inner and then all bound together before it's dispatched into our factories in Europe, where we bring it together with the frames, and then you have the completed system. It's more than just a product, it's been a fantastic journey. We've learnt about natural fibres, we've learnt about how rural communities work, and we can take that into our design philosophies going forward.
These kind of projects like Fairworks need to work in a collaborative way. Business can't do it by itself, NGOs can't do it by themselves. You've got to find the right partners on the ground because sustainability is the mother of all collaborations.
I personally think that this was the first company which looked beyond environmental sustainability. They looked at social sustainability. And I think our relationship with them should be a model relationship where we show the world that it's possible to do business as well as make a huge difference.